Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can sign up for a Reddit ads account. So let's have a look at this. So for this, when we can search for Reddit ads, we'll come to their official website, which is this one. Okay, and then we can log into it. Okay, so here in the sign up process, it's going to ask you to provide your basic information like your business name, business website URL. Okay, and then you can go ahead and sign up on the ads account. You will also have to provide your bank details to activate the account. So now once the account is created, this is how the ads manager account, as you can see on the top left, this is how the ads manager will look like to us. This is the home page of Reddit ads account. Okay. And from here, you can start building out your campaigns. So we'll do a detailed account navigation also after this to understand how the interface looks like and how you can start building out campaigns on this platform. I hope this makes sense. So just go ahead and go to their official website and you can sign up by providing your basic information like your business name, your business website URL, okay, and then giving your billing information, and then you can activate your Reddit ads.